Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by creating an aux bus and placing Chromaverb on that bus. This gives you a single reverb return to control. Next, send your audio tracks to the bus and set the send level so the reverb sits at a usable level, typically around -6 dB to 0 dB. Once done, pick a preset, plate, hall, room, or shimmer to establish the character, because presets give you a reliable foundation before you tweak size, decay, and diffusion. Now shape the reverb so it serves the mix. Set size and decay to match the song tempo and the perceived distance you want. Add pre-delay to keep transients clear, shorter for intimate sounds, longer for separation. Tweak diffusion and density to avoid smeared transients, and use modulation subtly to add motion without chorusing artifacts. Finally, place a HP/LP filter on the return to cut low-end mud and roll off harsh highs. Finish by automating the send or the aux wet level to keep the reverb dynamic across sections. This prevents wash in busy parts and adds space in sparse moments. Save your customized Chromaverb preset so you can recall the exact sound later, then bounce stems or print the reverb if CPU is constrained. If you ever hear no reverb, check the bus routing first, confirm the send level is up, ensure the plugin isn't bypassed, and verify the track and project sample rates match.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.